let me guess, you don't have $31.30, right? So I was talking to a real estate agent today, actually had them featured on one of our coaching calls, 10 leads at $3.13 a piece. So let me ask you, if you had $31.30, where would you advertise? How would you advertise? Let me adjust this a little bit. How would you advertise to generate 10 good quality leads? In this case, it was new construction buyers, people in his area that are looking to buy new construction homes. So a lot of agents have no idea, like, what's my offer? What do I do? Advertise the house? No, you can't advertise a product for sale. You have to advertise a service for sale. And if you can generate new construction buyer leads at $3.13 a piece, particularly knowing that a large percentage of them have a small home they want to sell in order to buy that new construction home, I would certainly think that would be a good use of your time. Let me tell you how this story comes about. So today, we had our ad clinic call for our members with Greg Luther Inner Circle. Every month we do an ad clinic call where we'll find a couple of ads that agents are using that are working really well. I'll look at how can we improve them, how much are they paying right now, that type of thing. Today, we went over the best ads for 13 real estate agents and what they're doing, what's working well, what needs a little bit of help, that type of thing. Let me give you some examples here. I wrote down some numbers to the best of my recollection on the handy-dandy notepads here, the sticky notes. New construction leads, the ad that we showed for new construction, $5.35 a lead for one agent. The other agent, $3.13 a lead, just as we talked about here. Luxury neighborhood. One guy or one lady wanted to advertise in a luxury neighborhood, $5.05 per person in that neighborhood that wanted to work with them and signed up for what we call their neighborhood tool. We provide all that with our Inner Circle coaching. They're signing up for that at $5.05 a piece. We had one agent who generated 31 leads in 2 days. Total cost, write down this total cost, $0 freaking dollars. $0.00. Generated 31 leads in 2 days. How'd she do it? Facebook Marketplace with a very simple ad. We showed the ad live on the screen. We showed everybody exactly how it's working, why it's working, what she wrote, how she's getting those responses. I want you to think about in your real estate business, are you copying the things that are working from other agents around the country, or are you trying to implement some crap that people are teaching that nobody's really making money from it? So with our Greg Luther Inner Circle, every other week we have a group coaching call, but we also have an ad clinic call once a month, and it was outstanding today. Those of you that were on the call, you saw just kind of seeing all of these different ideas and offers and how can we change that wording to get a little bit better response rate, or maybe get them from $6 a lead down to $4 a lead, or $8 a lead down to $6 a lead. How do we make that work so you get higher response rates? All you got to do is copy it yourself and deploy it in your own marketplace. We cover online approaches, offline approaches, what's working in today's market so you can copy it yourself. Whether it's a print material that's being mailed or anything that you're doing online. Facebook is the low-hanging fruit right now. So we showed today an agent that said, let me try it out for 2 days. Spent $35, 7 leads at $5 a piece. Those of you that didn't get to watch it, if you go to the Inner Circle website, you can watch the replay there. It's loaded. It's loading right now. I don't know if it's up yet if you are watching live, but you can always go back and watch that replay. The coaching call we did yesterday and the coaching call we did today, the ad clinic call, both are available. So I see some of you on here. Mark Baker, actually, we talked about some of his ads on there. I see, thanks for your comment today. I know everybody got a lot of value out of that. Christina watching as well was on the call today. Phenomenal coaching on how do I just copy what other agents are doing? How do we make that profitable for ourselves? So I want you to think about moving forward here. Are you copying approaches that can very simply, where you don't need to learn technology, you don't need to learn a whole new program and software and that type of thing? Can you just show me the text of 3 or 4 sentences that I can put in various locations that are going to bring in motivated buyers and sellers? And that's really the goal here. So if you're not a member with us, by the way, you can see some of these examples and ads and that type of thing if you go to getfastclosings.com. If you go there, you'll see some examples of how you can grow your business, even using free marketing. You don't even need to spend the $30 if you don't want to, but I think you'll find you're going to get some awesome ideas on those calls. And they will prove to hash out for you. You will generate good quality buyers and sellers. The next thing you know, you're out there actually meeting with clients rather than playing around in your email all day looking for other opportunities or looking for ways to grow your business. Much more profitable to be actually working with clients. So I'd love to show you some of that stuff. If you haven't seen it yet, run a couple of those ads this weekend. Do some of the Facebook Marketplace ads. Facebook Marketplace is now coming out with a huge update. We talked about that on the Ad Clinic call today. They're coming out with a huge update, which will require a lot of changes. You'd better be up to date on that or you're going to be missing out on more buyers and sellers again. It's basically their own real estate platform. So I think it's going to be very profitable for all of us here. And those of you that were on the call today, and you'll see some of the comments here. By the way, if you were on the call today, leave a comment as to what you guys thought about this, the results that you're getting, that type of thing. You'll always be doing more business, attracting more buyers and sellers if you're getting a good offer out to the right prospects, to the right qualified people. So again, check it out, getfastclosings.com. Put some of these in place. Those of you that were on the call today, please run a couple of those ads. Watch how quickly they work. Again, you saw today the ad that was ran to get 31 leads in 2 days. I don't care if only 10% of them close. You did a lot of business over the last 48 hours. So you'll see a lot of our members writing offers, doing more deals, that type of thing. You've got to get involved with that yourself. We have some awesome information coming up. Many of you know I'm preparing for the coaching retreat as well. An awesome opportunity for you. So make sure that you check it out. Those of you that missed the call, of course, the recording is going to be on the members website. So anytime you miss it, I know we're busy. We've got a closing happening. We're showing homes. We're doing some family stuff. Couldn't get your technology to work, whatever it is. You can always find that recording on the members website. I would definitely recommend you check out last month's as well. The stuff we did on new construction, the stuff we did on luxury, all of this stuff we've done in the past 30 days. It's all available for members there on the website. So review it, put it in place. Don't waste a weekend. Put it in place to start making some money for yourself. If there's anything I can do to help you, let me know. This is helpful for you, by the way. If you'd like to see examples, if you'd like me to start showing you some examples like that, make sure you like this video, follow the page, and turn on your notifications. It's important you don't miss this stuff. Not all of my live trainings get posted on our Facebook page, so you're not going to see it unless you turn on notifications. So very important you follow the page and turn on notifications that way. Go out and sell some houses. Let me know what I can do to help you. I'm Greg Luther. We'll plan on talking to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.